Top 5 Ways to Make Passive Income with Cryptocurrency in 2023. Many of the potential ways to earn passive income with crypto involve lending and borrowing. Other methods, including running a node, mining, or staking coins, are more technical, but in this video we will discuss top 5 ways to earn passive income with different types of crypto. So without any further delay, let's get into the details of the video. But before that, if you are new here, then hit the subscribe button and share your love in comments section below, so we always try hard to bring the useful contents for you. So starting from top of list, which is proof of stake. Proof of stake is a consensus method used in blockchain technology that serves as an alternative to Bitcoin's proof of work. POS networks agree on which transactions are valid through a process that involves nodes locking up, or staking, large amounts of tokens for a time. Crypto staking replaces the role of mining in a proof-of-stake system, and is, effectively, like sticking your assets in a locked savings account in order to earn interest. Instead of miners receiving new block rewards, like in a POS system, validators receive new block rewards in POS. Validators do not need expensive computer hardware, but they do need to have sufficient tokens to have a chance at adding the next block to the chain. Many networks require an initial investment before allowing staking. Some popular types of cryptocurrency available to stake on large exchanges include Cosmos, Atom, Tezos, XDZ, Solana, SOL, Ethereum, ETH, and Cardano, ADA. No. 02. Interest-bearing digital asset accounts. A number of service providers allow users to deposit their crypto and earn a yield on it, as they might with depositing cash in a savings account. To do so, simply open an account and deposit your crypto or stablecoins. You can do an internet search to find companies that provide these types of accounts. In exchange for the deposit, users earn interest on crypto. Stablecoins like US Dollar Coin, USDC, and DAI often have the best interest rates. Note that there might be a lock-up period involved, where users can't access their funds for a fixed amount of time. And there are risks associated with these types of accounts, as they aren't offered the same government protections as standard bank accounts. No. 3. Lending. There are several ways that investors can lend out crypto. The main draw of lending is that you can charge interest to a borrower. The amount earned will depend on a few things, including the total value of crypto being lent, the duration of the loan, the interest rate. Higher rates, longer loan terms, and larger loan quantities can lead to more income from the interest paid by borrowers. In some cases, those earning crypto passive income through lending get to choose the terms of the loans they create. In others, a third party negotiates the terms ahead of time. Here are some of the main forms of crypto lending. No. 4. Cloud mining. Mining proof-of-work cryptocurrencies typically requires substantial investment in computing hardware, along with the necessary technical knowledge. Cloud mining contracts offer an alternative. Instead of setting up a new mining rig, people can simply rent hashing power from an established operation through the internet. In exchange for a fixed fee, people can buy cloud mining contracts that entitle them to a certain hash rate for a certain period of time. The contract owner receives new coins in proportion to the size of their contract. Be warned, however, many cloud mining scams exist. Those interested in cloud mining would do well to do as much research as possible to try and make sure the company offering the contract is legitimate. No. 05. Crypto games. As online gaming continues to grow in popularity and spills into the metaverse, the opportunities to earn passive income through crypto games should grow, too. There are many crypto games out there, and a lot of them reward players for participating with various types of crypto. Some of the numerous games out there include Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, Gods Unchained, Aethermon, and Pegaxi. So that's all from Crypto World. If you enjoyed our content, then hit the like button and smash the subscribe button for further major opportunities in crypto industry.